Hello all, welcome to my channel, and today we will look at I could say, surprising discovery with this INA3221 modules I recently received. We will see how this particular version of module differs from the original Adafruit design and many older AliExpress or eBay variants of this module. So actually, if you're planning to get these modules to use them as a current voltage sensors for precise multi-channel power monitoring, you truly will want to see this video. The INA3221 is a 3-channel shunt and bus voltage monitor. It originates from Texas Instruments, and it allows you to measure current and voltage on 3 separated channels simultaneously. Perfect for monitor multi-cell batteries, multiple power rails, or even solar panels. Most modules available, especially clones or Adafruit oven versions, share common ground. Like this board here you see now share common ground. While this board I received by accident have totally 3 separated inputs. This is my just testing layout to test these modules that they work properly. This resistor here is load. I use it because that is how you connecting everything. And here actually you see how this board should be connected. Clearly showing load, which if it is battery, to monitor battery charging, discharging, and test batteries capacity, everything of that you can do with these modules. It's marked like plus load, minus load. Plus load going to the minus voltage input on the channel. Minus load going to the ground direct. Power supply minus going to the ground as well, and plus power supply going to the plus voltage input of INA modules, and so on for channel 2, for channel 3. So you can use 3 different power supplies to monitor and different loads to monitor. Everything can be separate. Of course, you will ground same, everything together, but it's not ground which is tied to INA chip, which is shared with INA inputs. Here we have separated minus or ground inputs to the INA chip. That is what is important in this module. So these modules, according to my knowledge, are better than original older design. Thank you to whoever decided to build this board. Now let's check. This is code which caused me run into problems because Adafruit library does not work with this board. So after I discovered that I have a bit different board than original board, I developed this code and used just 2 simple libraries. So this is my code, testing code, which is loaded to this chip. Here in corner you will see my power supply, and this module I need cable. It's running. Maybe I should zoom a little bit more for you. Okay, Now you can see everything. This what you see with display is just because refresh rate of camera. For me it's normal, it does not blinking. But let me power on my power supply. As you can see, 6 volts I feeding 6 volts and maximum 200 milliamps. So let's connect everything. Minus as schematic shown, minus here and plus directly to here. Gonna be a little problematic, but I think I will manage. Yep, as you see, it power on red light as input is detected. You see what my power supply is showing. You see here practically more believe to INA module that this is correct voltage at the moment, and shunt showing 20 millivolts. Everything is almost same reading here like on my power supply. That is why I wanted to show you. Of course resistor is heating up, so voltage can slightly go up and down. There is one warning here. Here still I work with 5 volt supply to the INA module. Even it's risky, it can damage module. You should supply 3.3 volts. That is what I discovered also, because there is no voltage regulator on board anywhere. So try to connect INA board to the 3.3 volt from Arduino, and display if it is 5 volt to 5 volt, if it is 3 volt to 3.3. Now you on the screen you can see how I connected everything. This is simple diagram and it works like that. INA 3221 VCC to plus 5 volts. It should be plus 3.3, so I will change it now. Now that is better. Ground to the ground, SCL to A5 of Arduino, SDA to A4 of Arduino. Same going with my LED display, going to the 5 volts, ground to the ground, SCL, same like INA, SCL to A5 and SDA to A4. That is simple as it is. I think I explained it good enough for you to understand what is difference between these boards I got and usual boards you can buy on AliExpress and eBay, or even Banggood, as well original Adafruit board design. This board is different from those boards, and if you're going to buy these boards, buy from the link I provided, or wherever you search, check that your board actually layout is same like this layout. Save this image of INA board, and when you be buying your boards, if you need them, if you're going to build something with them, be sure to buy these boards, because these boards are better. Simple, but thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, please, and see you soon with next video. Bye bye.